just to let you know guys, the unboxing video isn't my best work. I just moved, so I don't really have everything set up yet. I don't have my unboxing station. I don't really have anything set up yet, so I just did it the way I could. And I was also like extremely excited to get this new computer, so I just took my camera, set it up as fast as I could, and started recording and unboxing it. So yeah, future videos will be a lot better, and yeah. So yeah, until then, this is how most of the videos are gonna be. But trust me, in the future my videos are gonna be a lot more professional looking. So yeah, onto the video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have got the MacBook Pro 15-inch with a touch bar 2019 version. This is in the space gray color. And yeah, we're going to be opening it today. Oh god, this knife is horrible. Wow, look at this. Let's lift it up. This is a little heavier than I thought. Let's put that to the side. Let's see what else is in the box. So you get your USB-C charging cable. And it has a smell. And you get your wall adapter plug thing, USB-C. And inside the pamphlet you have your Apple stickers, user manual guide thing, and here is the manual guide. Let's put this off to the side. Let's take a look at this beautiful computer. Let's open it. Ooh, that's such a satisfying sound. So you got two USB-C ports on this side, and on the other side you also have your two USB ports, and you also have your headphone jack. Let's see how it looks from the inside. Oh my god, wow. So we have, it's already booting on. I was not ready for this. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. As you can see, you have your touch bar. This trackpad is huge, and the keyboard is beautiful. Oh my god, wow, this screen is beautiful. So,
to use British English as the main language, press the return key.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!